Hello, and today we are making the internet sensation wool roll bread. It is a tasty treat that comes from Asia, and believe me, once you make this, you're going to want to make it again and again. So let's get started. We're going to start off with 80 milliliters of lukewarm milk. Go ahead and pour that into a little dish, and then you're going to add a teaspoon of active dry yeast. Let's stir it up and then give it about 10 minutes to rest so it can activate. This is the second time I've made this bread, and the first time it came out wonderful, so I'm hoping this one comes out just as good, because you guys will really enjoy it. Now that we have all the ingredients in the bowl, let's go ahead and grab a spatula and start stirring. Get ready. This is going to take a few minutes to get it right, so just stir and stir until it's all combined. Okay, once you get it all together, go ahead and dump it out onto a clean surface. It's time to knead. So some of us can use our bread attachment to the KitchenAid and things like that. But for me, we're going to do it the old-fashioned way, and you're going to knead. And you're going to knead, and you're going to knead. So please follow along. It's going to take quite a few minutes, but again, it's going to be worth it. All right, after the 15 or so minute rise, let's grab one of the balls of dough. You're going to lay it onto your work surface, sprinkle a little flour, helps for keep it from sticking. You're going to get a rolling pin. Now, you don't have to use this one, but I found these awesome little rolling pins. At most Asian markets will carry them, but I found it at the local Asian market. I think I paid $2 for it. All you got to do is roll out the dough. You're looking for that oblong shape, oval shape. And what we're doing is rolling it out to about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch thick. And then you're going to grab your bench scraper, plastic, metal, whichever one you got. You just want to make sure you have a bit of an edge so you can create the slivers by carefully slicing and spacing out about halfway through the dough. Just watch carefully, do your best. Now take your filling, whatever filling you decide to use. I went with the classic of chocolate chips because I don't think anything tastes better than chocolate inside of bread. So place a little bit into the area that you did not cut the slivers into, and then you're going to carefully roll and fold, trying not to overlap those main slivers right there in the middle. That's what's going to create that awesome line look that we're looking for.